What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Let me hit you with a wild question right away. What's the one car gadget that could literally save your life while costing less than your last fast food combo meal? Sounds ridiculous, but it's true. And honestly, that's what makes cheap car gadgets so interesting. Some of them are complete junk that end up in your glove box for eternity. But every once in a while, you find something ridiculously affordable that actually makes your car cleaner, safer, more organized, and way easier to live with every day. That's exactly what we're covering today. We're diving into the best, cheap, but genuinely useful car gadgets you can grab on Amazon right now. And no, we're not talking about useless LED cup holder lights or fake exhaust whistles. These are practical upgrades under $20 that solve real problems, from organization fixes to cleaning hacks to emergency tools every driver should own. And trust me, you need to stay until number 1 because that gadget could genuinely save your life one day. Links are in the description. Let's jump in. Starting at number 6, Ginsco Mini Car Trash Can, the clutter killer. Let's be honest, your car probably has receipts, gum wrappers, empty bottles, straw wrappers, and random junk floating around right now. And if you're constantly throwing trash into your door pockets or cup holders, this solves that instantly. The Ginsco Mini Car Trash Can Cup Holder is compact enough to sit directly inside your cup holder without taking over your entire cabin. That's what makes it better than those giant hanging trash bags that swing around in the back seat. It stays hidden, looks clean, and keeps garbage contained. The flip lid is a huge win because it keeps odors trapped better than open trash bins, and the leak-resistant design helps prevent sticky disasters. It even includes liners right out of the box, which adds extra value. Now yes, capacity is limited. You're not stuffing an entire fast food meal bag in here, but for daily commuting trash, it works perfectly. If you hate clutter but don't want a giant trash bag hanging in your car, this is a smart buy. 5. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel, the Dust Assassin. You know that dust hiding inside your AC vents? The crumbs wedged around your buttons? That grime trapped near your gear selector? Yeah, this thing destroys all of it. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel looks weird at first because it's basically cleaning slime, but it works shockingly well. Instead of brushing dust deeper into tight spaces, it grabs dirt directly. Air vents, dashboard buttons, cup holder corners, infotainment controls. It gets into spots normal towels and vacuums struggle with. And weirdly enough, using it is incredibly satisfying. Just press it into dirty areas, lift it, and watch all the dirt come out. That said, don't leave it sitting in direct sunlight. Hot temperatures can ruin it. Store it in your glove box instead. For people obsessed with clean interiors, this is ridiculously useful. 4. Car Rearview Mirror Wiper, the rain visibility hack. This gadget feels unnecessary until you drive during heavy rain. Then suddenly it feels genius. The retractable car rearview mirror wiper helps clean side mirrors without forcing you to lean dangerously across your car or stop on the highway. And that matters more than people realize. A dirty mirror during rain can completely ruin visibility. Lane changes become risky, blind spots get worse, and that creates real danger. Unlike rain sprays that wear off over time, this gives immediate results every time. Pull it out, wipe the mirror, done. The telescopic design makes it especially helpful for SUV drivers and truck owners. And because it's reusable, there's no ongoing cost. Simple idea, very practical. 3. EcoNour Steering Wheel Desk, the mobile office upgrade. If you spend lots of time parked in your car, this one is surprisingly useful. The EcoNour steering wheel desk basically turns your car into a mini workstation. One side works as a laptop desk. The other side works as a food tray. That flexibility makes it better than cheaper single-purpose trays. Waiting between appointments? Need to eat lunch? Working remotely? Road trip break? This becomes incredibly useful. Installation takes seconds. Just hook it onto your steering wheel. Done. But huge warning here. Never use this while driving, and always remove it before moving. Your car. It blocks airbag deployment space. Used properly, though, it's one of the most practical, cheap gadgets for rideshare drivers, remote workers, and commuters. 2. Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer, the phone saver. Every driver knows this pain. Your phone slips, then disappears forever between your seat and center console. Now you're driving distracted, trying to retrieve it. Terrible idea. That's why the Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer is such a smart upgrade. It blocks that annoying gap completely. But it also adds storage. That's what makes it better than cheap foam fillers. You get space for phone, keys, wallet, coins, cards, charging cables, and other quick access essentials. Most versions use leather-style materials, so they blend nicely with modern interiors. It feels far cleaner than random organizers hanging everywhere. And because it uses otherwise wasted space, you don't lose valuable room. For everyday convenience, this one is hard to beat. Which brings us to number 1. Final verdict. Let's break it down quickly. Best for cleanliness, Ginsco Mini Car Trash Can Cup Holder. Best for detailing, PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Best rainy weather safety, Car Rearview Mirror Wiper. Best for productivity, EcoNour Steering Wheel Desk. Best organization tool, Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer. Best overall life-saving gadget, THINKWORK Car Safety Hammer. And honestly, if you only buy one thing today, make it the safety hammer. Everything else makes driving easier. That one could save your life. Drop a comment and tell me which gadget you're grabbing first. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.